Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Circle. Today we will see a new innovative program in my school. My English Lab in Jilha Parishad Primary School Chondi, presented by Lungare Vasant Gangadhar Rao. This is my digital school in countryside Jilha Parishad Primary School Chondi, Taluka Loha, District Nanded. In a grand opening ceremony, we will open a digital classroom and English lab by Ashalata Shinde and ZP member Chandrasen Patil. We will made a English lab in a countryside. We open this in a grand opening ceremony. All guests visit English lab and they look at carefully. They observe all the activities. Mr. Lungare sir present all the activities in front of them, and all visitors know how the students use all activities in our surrounding areas. Journals, newspapers presented this news in the newspapers also. Now look at this my English lab in Jilha Parishad Primary School Chondi. For this our HM Warkar sir and all my colleagues, all teachers or villagers support me in this new innovative program. Our block education officer Mr. Sontakke sir also encouraged me for developing this English lab in my school. Now look at this is an English lab. We arrange all English activities in this lab. We made a big banner for motivational thoughts, educational thoughts, improving students' knowledge by big and grand thoughts by APJ Abdul Kalam, Albert Einstein, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Mother Teresa, Savitribai Phule, and all others. These thoughts motivate our students. We paint all four walls for all English skills. This is the first one, writing skill, and this is the second one, listening skill. Here we put a mobile phone, headphones for our students. They use it and listen all English activity. This is the reading skill. For that we arrange all the reading materials on this wall. On this next wall, here we arrange speaking skill. In front of this picture, student stands and speak or make a new conversation. This is a writing skill. On this wall we arrange all writing materials like make meaningful sentences, use adjectives, make numbers, name the articles. As this way students write the new things. And most important, as this way we arrange all 43 kits or English materials which provided by our government of Maharashtra in all ZP schools. We arrange these materials in a separate box and put it in our class and in our English lab, and we add other English material which is useful for our students for developing their English skill. Students use this material easily. They sit in a group and put all the materials in the group and make a new activities like singular, plural, opposite words, labeling, all these words. And students are very happily sit here and learn new lessons told by their teachers. Teachers only guide the students, provide the materials, and told them how to use it. In our school, we will arrange timetable for standard 1st to standard 7 in a week. Each class have 2 days for this English lab, and our students sit here and learn it. This way all students sit in a group and handle all teaching materials, and they learn new activities told by their teachers, and use the materials easily. And for listening skill, students use the mobile phones and use Diksha app, Bolo app. They listen stories, news on YouTube's and other materials. On writing skills, students look at the pictures and make meaningful sentences and write on the blackboards. This is the developing writing skill. For speaking skill, students stand in front of these pictures and make a new conversation in them. This is my English lab. So I request you to all, please visit in my school and look at my English lab. Thank you very much.